Huffines Auto Dealership celebrates 95 years of business. J.O. Huffines Sr. founded the company in 1924, opening the first shop in Denton. The rest is history.
64 is the one that I bought.
A big part of that history, Harvey McLean.
1964 full-size Chevrolet. That's the first car that I bought and owned in my life.
He got behind the wheel his senior year of high school.
I started off as just a floor sweeper and a flunky.
McLean spent 30 years at Huffines, working under 3 generations and moving on up the ranks.
I was a favorite again, believe it or not.
A class act that eventually led his career to becoming the assistant service manager at several locations.
They were so good to me all those years that I worked for them. They treated me well, and they treated my family well, and they paid me right.
But more so than the good work environment and the heavy paychecks, McLean says the road he was traveling gave him purpose.
I've read the Bible several different times. One of the things that Mr. Ray Huffines did is he started a Bible study membership there at Huffines, and I was involved in that, and I wasn't a very good Christian. He's helped me to be saved and have a future in heaven with Jesus Christ and the Lord my Savior.
3 decades of changes in his personal life and the car industry.
In 1964, I bought a 1964 Chevrolet Impala, and I bought it for about $3,500. Since I've retired, I bought a brand new Chevy Malibu, which is one of the ultimate vehicles. I paid well over $20,000 for it.
McLean says they are experiences he will never trade in. For Real News, I'm Sarah Macias.